The last topic in this cost of capital chapter is the calculation of WACC and calculation of WMCC using MCC. What are these terms is, as you know, WACC is weighted average cost of capital. And girls, weighted average cost of capital, as I told you earlier, it is the calculation of overall cost of capital. What is overall cost of capital? The calculation of cost of capital of various sources put together. So here the cost of equity, debt, retained earnings, all these sources together we calculate the cost, and therefore it is called weighted average cost of capital. And how do we compute it? It is computed like this: K subscript W, that is cost of weighted average cost of capital, equals sigma XW divided by sigma W. What is X here? It is cost of specific source of capital, and what is W? It is your weights. Girls, if you remember these formulas, your format would go like this, where source will take first, equity, preference, debentures, let's assume retained earnings, we take all sources, and then we write the proportion of each source. So what is proportion? If equity is 1 lakh and this is 2 lakhs, if this is 3 lakhs, this is 4 lakhs, put together it is totally 10 lakhs we have, and then proportion is 10%, 20%, 30%, 40% to the total 10 lakhs. So that is how we calculated proportion. Then cost of each, maybe you need to compute it separately, or maybe it will be given in the problem, depends on the case. This is the specific cost of capital. Your proportion is always W. So finally Wx will be taken, and this total what you get from this column, multiplication of these two columns, is your sigma XW. So weighted average cost of capital equals sigma XW divided by sigma W. This is how we have calculated WACC. And then coming to the WMCC, weighted marginal cost of capital. When do we calculate weighted marginal cost of capital is that, girls, let's assume that your business, as of now, you have 5 lakhs in your business. Maybe you have this fund from equity, preference, and retained earnings. You want additional funds for your expansion business, maybe around 3 lakhs. When you raise this from additional funds, maybe you are using debt, this is the assumption, then your overall cost will definitely change. Your KW before, if it was 10%, maybe now your KW will be around 12 to 13%. This is the assumption. I have not done any calculation part, just for the example I am showing you. This additional overall cost which you incur when you raise additional funds, that is your weighted marginal cost of capital. Always remember, marginal cost is the additional cost of raising additional funds, and therefore weighted marginal cost of capital is the change in the overall cost when you raise additional funds for your business. I hope you have gone through all videos and you have no doubts in this chapter. Kindly practice problems, don't neglect the theory and problems both thinking. This is MCQs. ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೇಲ್ಮೇಲೆ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಂತ. ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಚುಯಲಿ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ರಿಪೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. Go through everything. If you have any doubt, post it in your group. And Wednesday you will be having your CFP online class. So there, if you have any doubt which cannot be clarified in the group, we'll try to clarify there. Thank you.